Hey guys, it's Soshi here, back in a video today. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your media keys on your keyboard work with TIDAL. So by default, the media keys don't actually work, which is very annoying. But I found a fix, and this is what we have to do. So all we have to do is go up here, click the three lines, go over to Help, Troubleshooting, and then just click this here to disable hardware acceleration. So I already have hardware acceleration disabled. You click this and then you'll restart TIDAL, and then if you try and use your keyboard shortcuts, it will work. And you can skip, play, and this is all on the keyboard. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.